This is just so devastated. Look, we are at Walt Disney Elementary School, and as I zoom in, you will see a hole in the side of the building, and so much damage. The roof completely ripped off here. Oh yeah. Does this look like computers? Yeah, desk chairs, computers. Storms, at least one person died in these storms. So we, pilot Alex Ramsey and I, are up and above checking out all the storm damage. This is along Mustang Road where the storms passed through, but again, just so much devastation.
Wedge, that's it. It's wedge shaped. It's wider than it is tall. This is a violent tornado. It's so ugly and it's so beautiful.